Hello engineers, a big recruitment update is coming up from NMDC. Let's check it out. So you have to visit the official website of NMDC where you can have this job notification PDF. Let's go through it. You can see a different posts are released. The first one is for the Department of Civil Engineering. Two areas of works are released. They have released posts in two different areas of work. One is civil construction maintenance and second is horticulture. For this civil construction, M4 grade post is released. Number of posts are 5. Essential qualification required is degree in civil engineering and essential experience in civil engineering construction and maintenance of building, industrial structures, road and drains are required. For the second post of horticulture, it's a M4 grade post. Number of vacancies released are 1 for unreserved category. Minimum essential qualification is BSc in agriculture or horticulture for minimum of 4 years duration is required. Experience in plant horticulture, arboriculture, maintenance, lawns, etc. will be required. The second post is released under ACVS, air conditioning and ventilation system. The area of work is operation mechanical electrical of AVS. It is a M7 grade post. One post is released for SC category students. Essential qualification is degree in engineering in electrical, mechanical or chemical. The essential experience required is having experience in the air conditioning and ventilation systems under Department of Large Scale Industry. The next post is released by the Department of Central Electrical Department. Two areas of work are there, operation and maintenance. It's a M8 grade post. It is one post for OBC category candidates. The minimum essential qualification is degree in electrical engineering, electrical or electronics engineering. You can see the essential area of experience required is experience in operation and maintenance of plant power distribution system consisting of electrical installation of 33 kV and above class substations, AIS and GIS of integrated steel plants. And for the second post, operation and maintenance of power distribution system, it's a M7 grade post. Number of vacancy released is 1 for unreserved category. The essential qualification is degree in electrical engineering and electrical and electronics engineering. The essential experience required is operation maintenance of plant power distribution. DNW consists of electrical installation of 33 kV and above substations. So like that, you can check out. There are so many vacancies. You can find out this notification has job vacancies purely for the core area of civil, mechanical and electrical engineering students. A lot of vacancies are released under different segments. You can check out this. The only thing is all these vacancies are for experienced candidates. So if you have the relevant experience, you can apply. All these posts will be recruited through direct interview. You have to apply directly by visiting the website of NMDC. And if you are shortlisted, you have to appear in an interview. Let's check out the important dates here. You can see so many vacancies are there. Almost 190 rows I have found in this PDF in which all the vacancy details are mentioned. Again, I am repeating, it is specifically for the core areas of civil, mechanical and electrical. You can see for DGM, it is Deputy General Manager. The pay scale will be from 1,20,000 to 2,80,000. CTC is 37.2. Maximum age is 52 years and minimum post experience required is 15 years. The second is AGM, Assistant General Manager. The pay scale will be from 1 lakh to 2,60,000. CTC is 31 lakhs per annum. The maximum age limit is 45 years and the minimum experience required is 12 years. Next one is the Senior Manager. It's a M6 grade post. Pay scale is from 90,000 to 2,40,000. Having a CTC of 27.9. Maximum age limit is 45 years and minimum experience required is 10 years. For the post of manager, the pay scale is 80,000 to 2,20,000, having 24.8 LPA of CTC. Maximum age limit is 45 years and minimum experience required is 7 years. For the post of Deputy General Manager, the CTC will be in the range 1.7 LPA. The pay scale is from 70,000 to 2 lakh rupees. The minimum experience required is 4 years and the upper age limit is 45 years. For the post of Assistant Manager, the pay scale is from 60,000 to 1,80,000. The CTC is 18.6 LPA, the maximum age limit is 45 years, and the minimum essential qualification required is 2 years. So here is the mentioned things. The upper age limit is relaxable up to 5 years for SC/ST category candidates and up to 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer candidates as per Government of India guidelines. How you have to apply? You have to visit the official website of NMDC, where you will get the link for the online application. The important dates are: the application already started from 18th March. The last date of application is 7th of April. For any queries, the number and the email IDs is given to you. So if you want to have any queries, you can contact in this number. You can see this. Before filling the form, they are asking you to check it thoroughly so that you don't commit any mistake while applying online. All the candidates have to pay a non-refundable fees of 500 rupees, and once you are shortlisted or a call letter is issued to you, during the time of interview, your document verification is also conducted. So this is the complete detail about this NMDC post-release recruitment of 2025, especially for the engineers of core specializations. So do check it out if you have the minimum essential qualification and the experience for the post. It's a very good place to work, and I hope this information is useful to you. So don't forget to share with your friends and do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.